dolls, welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs.Cowart Journey, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My channel focuses on me washing my hair, doing the trims of my hair, doing relaxers on my hair, whatever the case may be, we all do it at home. My mission is to show you all that you can do it too. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I healed my damaged hair. I did a video on this a while ago, and you all know that I had grew out my hair past 18 inches. And I showed you all how I did it. So there's several things that I did on camera, off camera, but I always came back to tell you all what I was doing. So the number one thing is trimming my hair. Trimming. If I see any breakage, any trims that need to be done, I'm going to make sure that I trim my hair. What does that really mean? That means that literally you need to go in and trim your hair. Go in, trimming it. You all know that I did a cut. The video is here. Also, what I do in between times, so like if I'm watching TV or watching YouTube video or something, I'm dusting my hair. I'm doing a search and destroy. So what that means is you put the hair in between your fingers, you flip it over, and you're just basically cutting any hairs that look just crazy. That can be curled up, that could be split ends. You're doing that search and destroy method. Another thing is I made sure that I was consistent with my deep conditions. Every week, you need to be doing a deep condition. If you cannot do every week, then you need to do at least every other week. Deep conditions keep the hair moisturized, especially if you are a relaxed woman. You need that moisture because our hair tends to dry out. You got to continue to replenish the hair with moisture. If you do not, you will suffer from broken hair, split ends, because you're going to be trying to put it in a style. It's going to be dry. You're going to be trying to comb it. It's going to be dry, and it's going to give you exactly what you're giving it: neglect. Number 3, which is also number 4 also, is a protein and moisture. So number 3, let's talk about protein. Making sure that you have a balance in your protein. The hair is made up of keratin. It needs a balance in protein. If you do not have that balance, it will be too dry or too moisture, which is the next one, and it would break. So protein, you can use things like alpha G. That's what my high porosity hair likes. But alpha G is literally the number one thing I see a lot of people use. Olaplex, that's another one that people tend to like to use. And that's more so just balancing the hair. Find yourself something that says it's going to balance the hair, because usually that has keratin in it. Keratin is protein. So number 4 is moisture. You want to make sure that you are moisturizing. So again, in between those deep conditions, let's just say throughout the week, maybe 2 or 3 times, you want to make sure that you're doing a moisturizing seal. Find yourself a favorite moisturizer and make sure you seal that thing with an oil. Your favorite moisturizer, your favorite oil. Every moisturizer is not for you, just as every oil is not for you. If you're high porosity, you have to find what oils and what moisturizers work for you. If you're low porosities, you have to find out what oils and what moisturizers work for you. I healed my edges. I healed them by eliminating protective styles that were not protective styles. Too, I want to say it's not as good, it's not as bad, but it's still bad. Look at that, it's still bad. So this is my wig, and look, right there, oh my gosh. For instance, for me, wigs whatever type of lace are on those wigs does not work with my hair. You cannot jump on every bandwagon, as I've said in many videos. You cannot jump on everybody's routine, as I've said in many videos. Find what works for you. So for me, those wigs, the lace wigs, being on my skin, on my scalp, all those things cause me to like have issues with my edges. In the past, as I'll say, I have suffered from anemic. I've also suffered from hypothyroidism. So my hair, it plays a lot with my hair. So when it comes down to putting things constantly rubbing on my hair or products on my hair, on my edges, I have to be very careful. I cannot do everything. This is what my edges are looking like now. You all, again, like I said, postpartum played a huge part in a lot of my hair loss, but my hair is doing a lot better. I used to wear micro braids, which also played a huge effect in my edges. But overall, like I said, I healed my hair by knowing that, okay, I'm not going to do these things, and these are the things I'm going to do. So black castor oil, making sure that it softens the hair, but it also strengthens the hair. Then I find things like have peppermint in it, or rosemary water, things of that nature that helps to grow the hair in that area. I make sure that when I do my relaxers, this is the very last thing that I do on my edges is my relaxer, because I want to make sure I'm not looking for bone straight edges. I'm just looking for them to hit it a little bit and then get it off, because again, it's already thin. It's not that much hair that the relaxer has to work through. So that should be the last thing that you put on your hair. It also leads me to say about what type of hair wrapping things I use, such as bonnets or whatever the case may be, pillows I sleep on, sheets, and so forth. You want to make sure that those things are silk or satin, because those things are going to keep that moisture in, and it's also going to be a lot gentle and not drying like cotton on your edges. So those are the things that help heal my relaxed hair. All of those things I implemented in my hair journey, and I have seen a huge turnaround in my hair journey over the, I want to say, 10 years that I've been on my hair journey. So try these things out. Put them in your routine. Find out what type of hair porosity you are, so you know what products work well with you and what products don't. And then let me know down in the comments below how those things are working for you. How did you heal your hair? Are you having issues with your hair? Are you having breakage? Are you having thinning of the hair? Are you doing these different things that are causing these damages to your hair? Let's chat it up in the comment section so we can help each other out. I will see you all later in another video, but before you leave, make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something from this video. Share this video also for anybody else who is interested in relaxed hair care, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye, dolls.